Thank you for visiting us here at LEDoutfitters.com. I want to do a quick close-up video of our 48-inch enforcer light bar. It utilizes Generation 5 5-watt LEDs. I know we have a lot of pictures of this light bar on the website, but I just want to do a quick close-up video so you guys can see exactly what you'll be getting when you purchase a light bar. It's gutter mounted, so it has mounting feet with these brackets and these bolts on the side, which hook up to the brackets that they come with. It has takedowns, it has alleys, it has a traffic advisor in the back, barely an inch thick, 2.5 inches off your vehicle. It has curved end caps, and again, what I love about these modules, they have great off access and great head-on lighting as well. If you look head-on, the light bar is bright. When you look at it from an angle, if my cameraman can move a little bit to the side, you can see how amazing the light output is on the light bar itself as well. If you have questions, comments, love to hear from you. If you could just do a quick close-up of the LED module so they can see exactly what they're getting, I'd be appreciative. Thank you so much, guys. Questions, comments, please feel free to contact us anytime. Available in multiple different color combinations as well. These lights are bright, they're durable, and they can handle any conditions. Love to see your videos when you install these. Send them to us all the time. Maybe we'll put it on our YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.